Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver Gigabyte motherboard driver. So you have to come to this first website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver, and this is search button. Then enter the model number X570 space UD and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Then you click X570 UD. Just click on it. After that, click on support. Then guys, select operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. Select any and first download the driver. After that I show you how to install. So audio driver, Realtek audio driver, you just click to download. You can see this is download icon, just click it. After click you can see this is start downloading in the download box. Then guys, chipset driver, click on extract. After that, AMD chipset driver, just click to download it, and again it's start downloading. Then this is LAN driver, extract and just Realtek LAN driver and click to download. Then click on the download and click on this icons to where it is downloaded, so it will open in the download box if you are change the locations. Okay, so this is your required driver for your motherboard. So now how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next, now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back, then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Nothing. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.